One of the coolest things about owning a 914 is being part of the 914 community. We wanted to share with you some of our great experiences in the community as encouragement for things to come. When you have one of the coolest cars on the planet, you just want to drive it. And while they're fun to drive on their own, they're even more fun with friends. So while we may not be able to get together and do that right now, we believe that it's important to have something positive to look forward to. We would like to help you out with our annual Give Back event, the Black Friday sale. Everything we make will be on sale all weekend long, with even bigger discounts each day based on different areas of the car. In addition to this, we will again be hiding super deals throughout the website, with new ones being added each day. Don't worry, you're going to have a lot of different orders, but we will consolidate all of them so you can still save on shipping. To accomplish this, we will not start shipping until Tuesday. What's new for this year is there will be no back orders. The crew has been working hard all year building up inventory for this event, so it will be limited to stock on hand. The benefit of this is that it will allow us to get your orders out a lot faster, but it also means when they're gone, they're gone. So if you find something you need, you can put it in your cart and check out. Again, we will be consolidating all the orders, and that's why we will not start shipping anything until Tuesday after the entire sale is done. Why do we do this? Well, we believe that another great thing about these cars is the ability to work on them. One of the reasons you can work on them is because of the support of the 914 World community. So, if you have a project in mind for your 914, let us help. Hunt for special deals throughout the weekend and find yourself a winter project. We really do enjoy supporting this community, and it is our way of saying thank you for supporting us for all of these years and allowing us to do what we love to do.